add 70, add 10, less 80, add 90.
90.
Yeah. Add 60, add 30, less 90, add 70.
70.
Yes, correct. Add 30, add 50, add 10, less 70.
20.
Yeah, correct. Add 90, less 90, add 80, less 20.
60.
Yes, correct. Add 40, add 50, less 70, add 20.
40.
Yes, it's correct. Add 40, add 10, less 50.
0.
Yeah, correct. Add 90, less 50, add 10.
50.
Yes, correct. Add 30, add 10, less 20. What is answer?
20.
Yeah, correct. Add 40, too fast. Add 10, add 10. What is answer?
60.
Yeah. Add 40, add 10, add 20.
70.
Very good. Add 30, add 10, add 10, add 20. What is answer?
70.
Yeah, very good. Add 50, add 20, less 70, add 10. What is the answer?
10.
Wow. Add 80, add 10, less 50, add 10.
50.
Yeah. Add 70, less 60, add 30, add 10. What is the answer?
50.
Yeah. Add 40, add 10, add 20, less 50. What is the answer?
20.
Very good. It's my final answer. Thank you very much.